We'll guide you through how to install Portainer on Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open up PowerShell or your preferred terminal application on your computer to get started. Verify that your Docker desktop application is actively running in the background before continuing. Create a persistent volume to safely save your settings by typing the command to create a Docker volume named Portainer_data. Begin the main Docker run command by instructing it to run quietly in detached mode. Map the network by linking both port 8000 and port 9443 from your computer directly to those same internal ports. Set the container name as Portainer so it is clearly labeled and easy to find later. Enable the automatic restart policy so the management application is always available when you need it. Mount the Docker socket by linking the var run docker.sock path directly to the exact same internal path. Mount the persistent volume by linking your Portainer_data volume to the internal data folder. Add the official image name at the end, which is Portainer/Portainer-C:\latest. Your complete command perfectly combines the detached run instruction, port mappings, container name, restart policy, socket mount, data volume mount, and image name. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to execute this complete command and start your new container. Verify the container is running by typing the standard Docker process status command. Open your web browser and visit the secure local management address at https://local_host:9443. If a browser security warning appears on screen, simply choose the advanced option and proceed safely to localhost. When the setup page loads, carefully create a brand new admin username and a highly secure password. Finally, click the Create User button to successfully finish your Portainer setup.